HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hello and welcome to the Dinosaur Land! We're going to draw and paint a gorgeous T-Rex. A kind of friendly, smiley T-Rex. I think so. So just drawing those lovely sharp teeth. Ooh yeah, I'm the T-Rex and I'll eat whoever is next. Ha ha ha! Those lovely claws. Ooh, look at that. The tummy. The leg and the foot. And the other one. This T-Rex is going for a walkabout. Some triangle shapes on its back. Ready to paint! We're going for a vibrant green colour, a dinosaur green colour, absolutely perfect for Mr. T-Rex. Using a very small tipped paintbrush to carefully paint around those scary snappers and around the triangle patterns on the back. Lots of care to be taken here because there's lots of black lines that we have to stay in between. Careful with the detail. So take your time, no need to rush. You can always pause this video. The arms and hands and the legs and the feet. Excellent. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Brown we're going to do for the claws. Toes and fingers, of course. There. Let's go for yellow now for our lovely tummy. A yellow belly. All the way to the end of the tail. And going for a darker green for the triangle pattern on his back. It's great to use different shades of the same colour. Always looks good. And there you have it. Keeping those scary snappers white. Ready for his next meal. He's going walkies. T-Rex. Hey kids, do you like unicorns? Do you love cake? Well, we're going to show you how to draw and paint a unicorn cake. Yay! We start with the horns on top. Little ones, 3 of them, and then a big one. Excellent. Now some stars. And then we do the outline of the cake. It's going to be a slice of cake with some icing dripping down the side. And layers. This way we can do lots of different colours. Yay! How about a rainbow unicorn cake? Now we're going to darken up the border because that will make the colours really stand out. Perfect! That is a big slice of cake. Now let's start with purple. Purple for the top of the big horn. Then yellow. And green. Ooh, I do love this colour combination. Some pink and blue. Excellent. Now some green for the baby horns and yellow. Lovely. Yellow stars too. Right, what colour shall we do the icing? Purple. Ooh, I love it. The depth of the colour of purple really makes the bright yellow stars and horns stand out. Fantastic. Paint really carefully within the black lines. And we're done. Let's go for our slices now. First we're going for pink. Pink and purple are like brother and sister. Gold. Round the dripping icing. And yellow. I like these similar shades of colours next to each other. Let's go for green next. Break it up a little bit. It's nice to have diversity, don't you think? How about some blue next? I would not mind a slice of this cake, would you? It looks delicious. Let's go for purple at the bottom to match the top. Oh, I love it. It's so sparkly. And we're done. Fantastic job. Well done, kids. You did it. Now, let's have a bite.